A New South Wales health official has broken down while giving evidence at the Ruby Princess Special Commission of Inquiry. The epidemiologist admits protocols governing the cruise ship's arrival that led to the country's largest coronavirus outbreak were not closely followed.
Feeling the pressure after the biggest public health failure in the state's history.
Myself and my colleagues at the Public Health Unit were working very hard on this. We did what we could. And if we could do it again, it would be very different.
The Ruby Princess has been linked to more than 660 COVID-19 cases and at least 21 deaths after docking in Sydney on March 19. At the inquiry into the cruise ship crisis on Tuesday, New South Wales health epidemiologist Kellyanne Ressler was questioned on whether the ship followed Australian health protocols.
Ships have their own protocols that they followed, and while a ship is out at sea, I have no jurisdiction over what they do. All I can do is make sure that they are following their own protocols.
A claim criticised by Commissioner Brett Walker.
All you could do is to ensure they're following their own protocols, you told me. Actually, you could find out whether they were following Australian protocols, couldn't you? That's simply incorrect for you to have told me on oath just a minute ago that all you could do was to ensure they complied with their own protocols, isn't it?
Yes.
The heated exchange continued over why 2,700 passengers were allowed to disembark and who was responsible for ensuring they entered self-isolation.
I made inquiries on the 18th of March to try to work that out.
And?
I was told that it was being enforced by Australian Border Force.
That claim was rejected by the Australian Border Force Commissioner, who also came under intense questioning at a Senate inquiry in Canberra.
This has been a point of frustration for me over recent weeks. Because we're called the Border Force, people think we're omnipotent and that I have some miraculous legislative authority to direct states and territories and all sorts of organisations to do all sorts of things. I don't. Our role in relation to cruise ships is really linked to the law, the Customs Act and the Migration Act.
The Special Commission hearing into the Ruby Princess continues until the end of the week. Isabella Lindbruggen, Sky News.